Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Norton 360 and remove security agents, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by closing any open applications on your computer. Locate the Norton 360 application in your system tray. Right-click the Norton 360 icon. Select Exit to close the application. Next, click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Control Panel into the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel window, click on Programs. Then click on Programs and Features. Scroll through the list of installed programs to find Norton 360. Once found, click on it to highlight the program. Now, click on the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Follow the prompts in the Norton Uninstall wizard. Select Remove when prompted about removing Norton 360. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. Once finished, click Close to exit the wizard. Next, you may need to remove any remaining Norton security agents. To do this, download the Norton Remove and Reinstall tool from the official Norton website. Open your browser and search for Norton Remove and Reinstall tool. Click on the link to download the tool. Once downloaded, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the Norton Remove and Reinstall tool to run it. Accept the User Account Control prompt if it appears. Select Remove Only first to eliminate leftover Norton components. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the removal. Once the process is finished, restart your computer. After restarting, check to ensure all Norton components have been successfully uninstalled. If needed, you can run the Norton Remove and Reinstall tool again for thoroughness. Finally, verify that no Norton-related files are left on your system. You have now successfully uninstalled Norton 360 and removed all security agents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.